Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the AndroMoney expense tracking application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store depending on your device. Once you open it up, tap on the search box and then type in AndroMoney and start your search. Once you find the application, go ahead and tap on it and you will find the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the AndroMoney application on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed. Once it is done, you will see the open button that you can tap on in order to open up the application. And once the application is opened up, you will be taken into the home page and you can start adding and tracking your expenses without any sign up or login. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the AndroMoney expense tracker on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again in the next one.